Okay, I just wanted to make this quick video showing you how to take the list of student names and that are in last name and then first name order and then switch it so that it's first name, last name, just what we went over the other day. But you requested a video, so here it is. First, just copy the list into Excel, and it should look kind of disorganized like this. What we're going to do next is select just the students, leave out the student name, just start with the first student and select the students, and then click on the Data tab up here. And then we're doing text to columns. So click on that and make sure the delimited option is checked. Then we go next, and we are going to make sure that the comma option is checked and no other option, only the comma option. Then we're going to go to next, and actually we can just click finish here. So now we have the names are separated, so here's the last name and here's the first name. So all we need to do now is cut and then paste. And now if you want to, you can just highlight both columns, copy, and then paste them into ClassDojo or wherever you want. Now, you can stop the video here, or you can learn one more thing as programmers, something that is just a programming tool that we use, something called concatenating. And in Excel, there's a formula to concatenate. What concatenate means is we're adding different values or different variables together to make a string. So to make a formula in Excel, you just type in equals, and then you type in the formula name. In this case, it's concatenate, and then we put a parentheses, and now this is going to be what's inside of our formula. So I'm going to say, I'm going to put it back into, well, no, I'll make it into one cell. So I'll do Twila Bosley and Israel Samaniego. I don't know where I got these names. Okay, so concatenate, we'll just do the first thing that we're going to add, and then you do a comma, and then I'm actually going to put a space between, so I'm going to put quotes and then a space and then another quote and then comma, the next piece that we're adding, and then end the parentheses. So what we have here is it's going to say Twila and then space Bosley. If we don't add the space, then they'll just run into each other. So if we just press enter, we can see that now they're back together in the same column, which we really don't need, but it's just a programming tool that we can use in programs as well as in Excel when you get down the road, if you ever get that far with your kids for programming. Anyway, another trick with Excel is if you take the handle button at the bottom of the cell, the bottom right corner, you can actually drag that down and it will copy whatever formula you have in that first cell all the way down and adjust so that it corresponds with where the next cell is, if that makes any sense. Anyway, so it's concatenating these cells, and this row is concatenating these cells, and this row is concatenating these cells, instead of just concatenating these cells every time. Anyway, that was a lot of extra stuff. If you're still watching, then you can stop. The video's over.